Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to find the maximum value between the interval in here. So the first thing we need to do, we need to put number 0 and number 1 go to this function in here. So we have f of number 0. So in this situation, I will put number 0 going here and here. So we calculate about this one, and we have 1 over 3. And now we go to the number 1 in here. And this one, we have 4 minus e over number 3. Now, we have the function in here. So, we need to divide number 2 with number 3, this one with this one, and this one with this one. So, we have like this. Now, we need to do first derivative f of x. We want to find about the critical point. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one, we have negative e to the power of s over number 3. This one, we have number 1, so we have 2 over 3. Later that, we put this one equals to number 0. So we have this one equals to number 0 in here. So if we simplify everything, we have e to the power of s equals to number 2. So the next one, we put natural log for the both sides. And we know that we have the formula in here. So A, that is about E. B, that is about S. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have S, L, and E. F and E, that's E about number 1. And we know that L and number 2 belongs to this interval in here. And now we put f of L and number 2. So we put this one cone here. So we simplify and we have 2 over 3 L and number 2. Now we need to compare 3 values in here. And we see that this one, that is about the maximum when we compare this one and this one. So the maximum value of this function from this interval in here, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.